y equals x cubed minus 11x squared plus 39x minus 47. To solve this, you first have to take the derivative. So y1 equals 3x squared minus 22x plus 39. Next, to solve for critical numbers, we have to make this equal to 0. So 0 equals 3x squared minus 22x plus 39. From there, we can factor out. So then we'd get 3x minus 13 x times x minus 3. And then our x's will equal 13 over 3 and then 3. These are our critical numbers. Next, we can draw the number line and plot our points. So 3 is about right here, 13 over 3 is about right there. From there, we choose numbers in between. So let's go with 4, 5, and 2. Now, we plug in these numbers to here. So 3 times 2 minus 13 would give us a negative number. And then 2 minus 3 would also be negative. So negative times a negative equals a positive. Let's plug in 4 now. 3 times 4 is 12 minus 13. That's a negative. 4 minus 3 is positive. So that's a negative number. And last, we plug in 5. 3 times 5 is 15 minus 13, which is a positive. And then 5 minus 3 is positive, so that's positive. From this, we can see that it is increasing at negative infinity to 3 and from 13 over 3 to infinity. But it is decreasing from 3 and 13 over 3. Okay, this one is a little tricky. Y equals x squared plus over 4x plus 4. So first, we find the derivative, and we have to use quotient rule. So y1 equals 2x. Take the derivative of the first, leave the second alone. Subtract, leave the first alone. Take the derivative of the second over the second squared. From there, we can simplify. So then we get 8x squared plus 8x minus 4x squared over 4x plus 4 squared. And then we can simplify even further, and we'll get 4x squared plus 8x over 4x plus 4 squared. Next, we make it equal to 0. So 0 equals 4x squared plus 8x over 4x plus 4 squared. And from there, we can solve for x, and x equals -2 and 0. we can plot it on a number line. So -2, 0. Then we'll choose numbers in between. So -1, 1, -3. Then same as before, we plug in this up here, this up here, and this up there. So -3, 4 times -3 squared, which is a positive, plus a negative, which is a negative, over a negative, negative, and then -1 is a negative, a positive, and a negative, and then 1 is just positive. So then this is positive, this is negative, and this is positive. Then we can find where it's increasing. And it is increasing at negative infinity, right here, and 2, and 0 to infinity, right here. It is decreasing at -2, -1, right there, and -1, 0, right there. And that is it.